Last year, COVID-19 spread rapidly among residents at this care home. 41 of them died. The outbreak at Extendicare Parkside in Regina remains under investigation. However, some details are starting to emerge, including residents who were allegedly discharged from hospitals too soon.
In the acute care facilities, beds and care were at an absolute premium.
Cape says it was known that on day 10, residents would return home from hospital, but some were still suffering from COVID-19 complications.
They believed that they were sending them to get better. Seeing them come back still sick, staff, like they would throw up their hands and say, why isn't anybody helping us? Why isn't anybody seeing what's going on here?
It allegedly started happening after the Public Health Agency of Canada deemed people recovered after 10 days. The change previously led the health authority to underreport hospitalizations, a metric the Saskatchewan government uses to gauge restrictions.
That was a political decision. I don't know what the medical rationale was, and I've never been told, but that was a political decision.
Cape says not all residents who returned home were stabilized, and not all of them had enough oxygen.
It was scary for the staff, but I'm sure scary as hell for the residents because, now they're in their home and trying to recover. And, it was a bad scene.
The health authority says residents were discharged based on a doctor's assessment, and there was no specific day a person would get released. Extendicare also says residents had access to oxygen, which was provided by private companies and the health authority. The home hasn't had a new case since Boxing Day, but the death of 41 residents have left staff, who were like family, traumatized.
Death is never fair. Let's not kid ourselves, but you want to ease people into that point in their life as smoothly as possible. And that was incredibly difficult to do at Parkside Extendicare.
Results of the external investigation into the deadly outbreak is expected by early July. Mickey Judich, CBC News, Regina.